Hi everyone! So today we're gonna take a closer look at the eToro team bots. You know, those who answer all your social media questions. But the only thing is, they're not really bots.
Hello. Bonjour.
Hola.
Hello. Hi. Buenas noches.
But before we do anything, don't forget to
Like,
Comment.
and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Cool behind the scenes intro coming up in
3, 2, 1. Action.
eToro team is your inside connection at eToro. Our purpose is to inform, educate, and offer engaging discussions around the eToro communal experience and the financial markets as well in a simple way. And we thought it's important for our users to see the faces behind the comments.
eToro teams are an essential part of eToro. They are the voice of our community.
We're the world's leading social investment platform, so we take being social very seriously.
We literally talk to millions of users every day, and I think it's important they know who we are and that we care.
And we really care.
We really do. Really? No? Yeah.
I really love to connect with our users in such a direct and simple way, creating educational posts, and of course memes. We love memes.
It's a wrap.
Well, that's it for today. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please, before you go, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. And of course, follow eToro team. See you guys next time.